Ready, start. In this view, the action, if any, against a government servant, who has retired, is permissible to be taken only by the governor and no one else. Full stop. Having observed as above, what we further need to reflect upon is the issue as to whether order of punishment of dismissal from service can be passed in case of the appellant dash petitioner who had already retired much prior to the date on which the order under challenge before the learned single judge, that is order dated 1/11/2018, was passed. Full stop. Learned State Council has laid great emphasis on the law laid down by Honorable Supreme Court in the case of Ravindranath Chaube within bracket supra bracket close full stop. The judgment in the case of Ravindranath Chaube within bracket supra bracket close has been rendered by a bench of three honorable judges of Honorable Supreme Court. Full stop. The majority view in the said judgment was expressed by Honorable Mr. Justice M. R. Shah with Honorable Mr. Justice Arun Misra. Full stop. The majority view expressed in the said case based on consideration of the relevant rules applicable for conducting the disciplinary proceedings in respect of employee concerned. Full stop. The employee in the said case was employed with Mahanadi Coalfields Limited, which had framed conduct, discipline and appeal rules, 1978. Full stop. Rule 27 of the said rules mentions the authority where employer has the power to impose punishment, including punishment of dismissal. Full stop. Rule 34.2 of the said rules provides that disciplinary proceedings, if instituted while the employee was in service before his retirement, shall be deemed to be proceeding even after the final retirement of the employee and shall be continued and concluded as if the employee had continued in service. Full stop. From a perusal of Rule 34.2 of Conduct, Discipline and Appeal Rules as discussed in the case of Ravindranath Chaube within bracket supra bracket close, it is clear that the said rule creates a legal fiction to the effect that if disciplinary proceedings are instituted prior to retirement of the employee concerned, such disciplinary proceedings shall not only be deemed to be proceedings even after retirement, but also that such proceedings shall be continued in the same manner, if the employee had continued in service. Full stop. Thus, considering the wording of Rule 34.2 of Conduct, Discipline and Appeal Rules in the case of Ravindranath Chaube within bracket supra bracket close, it is seen that in the organization concerned where the employee was working, even after retirement, the employee is deemed to be in continued in service even if he retires. Full stop. The majority view in the case of Ravindranath Chaube within bracket supra bracket close, thus, having regard to the provision contained in Rule 34.2 of the Conduct, Discipline and Appeal Rules applicable to the employee in the said case, has given a finding that on conclusion of such disciplinary proceedings any of the penalties provided under the rule can be imposed by the authority concerned, including the order of dismissal. Full stop. Honorable Supreme Court in the case of Ravindranath Chaube within bracket supra bracket close has taken into consideration the law laid down by the division bench in UCO Bank and others versus Prabhakar Sadasyu Karwade, comma within bracket 2018 bracket close 14 SCC 98 full stop.